Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing really good and you're staying indoors. For today's video, I will be showing you how you can curl your hair at home without using any equipment. Yes, you heard it right. We will curl our hair without using any equipment whatsoever. I'm sure it will be fun to watch, and also this video is in collaboration with Foxy, a new platform that connects beauty influencers and artists with top brands and savvy shoppers. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. I have just come out of the shower and my hair is literally super wet right now. So what I'll do is just part my hair into two sections like so. So for the first thing, what you need to do is start taking small sections from this end. I'll just leave my fringes and then from here just take small sections and twist like so. Right till the end. Now what you have to do is take two fingers, wrap around it, wrap and take a few pins and just secure it like so it will not fall out. Doing exactly the same thing. It depends on you how you want to keep your wavy curls, thick or thin. I'm doing mixture of both because I like a very rough wavy curls. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You see her. So it will look something like this. This is the first one, this is the second one. And you just have to keep on doing with all your hair. A, B, C, D. As you can see, this side is done and this is how it looks like. I'll just quickly do this side and we'll be back. So it's done. You just have to keep it for at least 4 to 5 hours to make them, look really curly or wavy, like however you want it. Yes, I'll see you after 4 hours. So it's been quite some time now. I think it's around 3 to 4 hours that I've kept my hair and started to open up. So let's just quickly open up and see how our curls look like. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm just hoping they turn out good. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. For me. Now just slowly open this curl like so. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And there you go, you have such lovely curly hair. If you don't want this much of curl, just take a strand and just move your comb once and that is it. It will loosen up a bit, but look at that. I've also done this for the first time, but I'm really loving it. And yes, this is how it looks like. Let me know how do you like it. If you don't want this much of curl, you can definitely take a bigger section and then twist it around. But anyways, I liked it. This was the first time that I've gone like this much of curly hair. So yes, this is it for today's video. And if you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload any video, you will be notified. I'll see you in my next video super soon. Till then, bye.